Hello, welcome everybody to our afternoon session of Meet the Momo Code finalists. We have Divya Tailang here. Welcome, Divya. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you, Susan?
I'm very well, thank you. I really appreciate you coming on the show this afternoon. Welcome to our attendees and our guests. You're in for a lovely interview this afternoon with Divya. So let's kick off and start with the first question. So,
Yeah.
our first question today is, please give us a brief introduction about yourself, where you're from, and your tech stack, and your tech journey prior to starting the JUUBIX Global TechSprint Leadership Program.
Yeah, actually, basically, I'm from Uttar Pradesh. We migrated to Rajasthan, and we are based on Rajasthan. But right now, when I wanted to make my career, so I moved to Bangalore. Okay, so it's basically all the three things are in India, three places. So yeah, here I'm working. Like I wanted to do something at my own, and which was like dependent on designing art, which is connected to that because I love designing and I love arts. So through that, I came to know technology. And with technology, I have learned a lot of things, and I was really surprised that I can do this and that with this, with right now, whatever we have. So during COVID, I have found it, and yeah, I have started learning, and I went to as a UI UX designer, and that part I did, and then I came to know about development, and after that, I worked as a developer then, but plus as a designer as well. So both of the things are which I really love to do most, and then I met you. Actually, we met. So there yeah, there we worked as I worked as a, UI designer and front end developer, and our whole team there. All yeah, it was really fun working with you and my team, and yeah, it's good. It's quite a very
Fantastic.
good experience. Yeah.
And what's your tech stack, Divya? What's your tech stack? What does that look like?
So yeah, my tech stack is actually basically it's Monster. Where I belong is like my front end technologies is like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Main, I am a React.js developer, and backend I have learned as a Node.js and all. So there, uh, right now I'm working on full as a full stack developer called Connect India. This company I'm working as a software developer. Yeah.
Fantastic, fantastic. I mean, Divya, we know
Yeah.
that you have such a exuberant personality. A lot of people love working with you. We're kind of like, "Where's Divya? Where's Divya? Where is she?" So, you know, what makes you have such a such an energetic personality, and how do you find working in a team environment?
Yeah, because I love whatever I am. Okay, firstly. And the second thing, I have full confidence on me that if there is a work or there is a thing to do for me, I will be doing that. Whatever time it takes, I will be doing that. I will not be going to give up in that. And yeah, moreover, think that my team is there. If I get stuck anywhere, then my team is always there to support me. So like that confidence I have mainly. So I always be happy on that, and I love doing work. That is why I'm so confident.
That is amazing. That's amazing to hear. Like in terms of your family history, what influence did that have on you choosing the technology industry? Did your family or your background, your upbringing, did it have any influence in you choosing the tech industry as a whole?
No, no, no. It's just my hobby, my interest, which influenced me to come into tech. That's
Okay,
the one thing. Yeah.
okay, amazing. So, what made you choose to participate on the JUUBIX GTLP?
Yeah, it's like something interesting and new thing for me because I never worked as a fintech company. As you, we have one first hour interview, so there you have to like describe a lot of problems and whatever solution you are taking through Jubix. So yeah, I found it some quite different, difficult as well. Okay, and a unique thing for me first time. So that was why I decided to join it, and yeah, it went really well by working with team members and as your guidance as well in the. So yeah, it was really amazing
Yeah. So when you were
because what you are
participating,
doing,
yeah, go ahead.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, I have participated as a UI UX designer and front-end developer. Okay, and there I came to know lots of new things where you were like teaching us and like guiding us. These things can be useful for our youth and for next companies or whatever you want to trying to take out into this world. So yeah, that was quite amazing and interesting. So I'm waiting for that actually.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Yeah.
That actually goes. I mean, you went into my next question, which is what areas did you cover? So you touched about UI UX design. So obviously when
Hmm.
it comes to product, there's a lot of changes. There's a lot of edits, adaptations to design. How did you find that? Because you seem to be quite on the ball. So every time we needed an update, you were quite quick. Quite resilient in terms of updating the design.
Yeah, actually, I don't know, but it was just coming in my mind that no, this should be good. This should be right for this. And on the time I talked to you, like you liked it. I don't know how you liked it, but yeah, it went very well. So yeah, that was a quick decision making for me. And whatever I suppose, firstly for my thing, if I'm designing something or if I'm doing something which is really interesting, so that should be complete. And that should be firstly I should like that, and then I go to another person then to approach someone else that yeah, if this is good or this is good, because I keep choice in front of people, like what and all you can choose, and from there what we can improve it. So like
Yes.
that work.
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. Thank you for that. Then going to our next question. What resources were you provided? So when you were on the Global TechSprint program, did you have mentors, advisors? What platforms did you use in terms of, the areas, obviously UI, UX? Did you use Figma? Did you use Adobe? What different platforms did you use? And also, what mentors, advisors were you provided while you were on the program?
Yeah, during this program, I have used Figma to be honest, and then some of the like Canva as well, which we have discussed already, like Figma and Canva for this one for designing. And yeah, I had to do some research for my work, like how my client needs, how what is the requirement of my client, what she wants or he wants. According to that, then I whatever idea I come up with, then I discuss with my team. Whatever they think, then I change that, and if they think this is good to go and good to propose in front of you or as a mentor. So yeah, my leader was Donald and my team, Kayla, Vicky, everyone, Rita. I always used to ask them that is this is right or not, or what I'm doing is this good or not. They always supported me. Seriously, they always supported me. Everybody, and every time whatever I come up with, they're like, yeah, you are good. You just go and propose it in front of Suzanne, and yeah, we loved it. So that's how we we ended
Amazing,
with.
amazing. Did you have any external advisors? So, obviously there were people in your team, but did anybody come in, especially on presentations in terms of?
No, 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 no. No, no, nothing like that. Just team, in-house team.
Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic, fantastic. Let's move on to our next question. Do you feel that the GTP was inclusive and diverse, and why?
Yeah, actually it is because there is, there are lots of platforms which are providing whatever you are trying to do. they are also providing the same thing. But what you are trying to do is that is really quick, a user where a user can easily, approach a platform or an application, what you call it. So there they will be finding very easy, quick solutions, what they want to do with just one click or two click if they are finding their solution, and if they really like it, and if they are getting what they really wanted to get. So
Mm.
yeah, these are the things which I really find it very different in this platform, JUUBIX City, where yeah, that's all for now.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Yeah,
Let's
from my side I found it.
from your side, you found it inclusive, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Fantastic. So, what do you think of the Jubit solution itself? So, the actual solution that you were part of building, what do you think in terms of what it could do in terms of the market, in terms of the world? What do you think of the Jubit solution?
JUUBIX is like what I call it. It's for everyone actually. What is your idea? This is for everyone. It's good in marketing as well, and it is good for any usual random people as well. Whatever they are trying to, if they, if even if they, to be honest, when I came to JUUBIX, when I joined JUUBIX, I didn't know anything about blockchain or anything about fintech companies. Okay, so from there I came to learn that no, these are the things which exist in this world, and this could be really future good for us. So yeah, I feel that this is a really good idea what you are bringing up to the world. So this is very good. Yeah, to world, to
Yeah, you was
market.
actually heavily involved in like the marketing videos, promotional videos,
Yeah,
which you went out
correct,
of your
correct.
way to do. So you weren't actually instructed to do that. You actually, just chose
Yeah,
on your own initiative to go and. Could you explain what you did to be able to create that video? What resources you had to put together to actually make the video.
that all was my imagination actually. So yeah, imagination in the sense, firstly, what came in my mind that was technology. Okay. Second thing, what came in my mind, that is the uniqueness. And the third thing which has came in my mind, like what you want to provide that should be there in that marketing video. Okay. And with that, people should connect themselves. People should feel that this is a platform which we can use. We can think of using it. So by thinking of those ideas, and yeah, NFT also I have added in that. Uh, so yeah, that also I like very much. And like this, I just made it, and some random. It's not like one video. It's like around, I guess, 35 or 40 videos I have researched it, Google it, and then I've edited, and then I've created at my own with my imagination whatever it was. So yeah, like that I end up with that.
Amazing, amazing, Divya. I was actually very impressed with your video, and I thought that it was, definitely
Thank
something to
you,
add to
thank
your
you,
CV and your skills in
thank you
terms
so
of
much.
marketing. I think you did a brilliant job.
Yeah.
I just wanted to touch on, you said NFTs and stuff. Like, what do you think of that space? Blockchain, AI, these spaces that you're interested in going in yourself, or, is there other emerging technologies that you're interested in?
Yeah, I'm interested in NFTs definitely after JUUBIX.
Great stuff, great
Yeah,
stuff. In
yeah,
terms of the actual NFT space, I know that you like gaming, right? So, what kind of
yeah.
games do you like, and what enthralls you about gaming in the gaming industry?
Gaming industry is like this is the love of my life. What I can say, since my childhood, I'm playing games, and there is no such game which I never played. Okay, like every kind of every genre, every type of gaming I have done in my life. So that is why, and yeah, that's the thing which you have told me to design a game for JUUBIX as well. Because yeah, that was also a unique idea for bringing up people and to give comfortness to them and to use this platform. So yeah, that was also good. And for my influence, like I love gaming, and whenever I feel good, whenever I feel sad, I just go for gaming, gaming, gaming every time.
I
That's
love.
why I have imagination where I can connect myself into a game. It's like that. Yeah.
So, what games is what is the your favorite games right now?
Yeah. For now, I'm playing Call of Duty, definitely. That is the PvP action games.
Yeah.
And lots of games are there, like PC games are also there. But I don't usually play them. And puzzles games, it's like that. And, card gaming, pool, and whatever kind of game exists in this world. I love to play. I love to explore them.
So, what do you think about the Web3 metaverse gaming, that they're trying to, build now? How do you feel about that?
Yeah, that is cool. That is cool. After the weeks, I have explored those. That
How?
is also cool because, yeah, that is also amazing because while playing those games, we can create our game as well, and we can sell them, and we have rights that the users can come and play those games, and yeah, that is kind of really good fun actually for other
Fantastic.
people. Yeah.
Fantastic. So that leads on to our next question. So,
Yeah.
obviously, when you finished completing the JUUBIX GTLP, what have you been involved in since then, since you finished the program?
Yeah. So after
You got a
that,
job.
I
You
have
got a
joined.
job, didn't you? After the program, correct?
Yeah, correct. You're lucky for me, I can say. Yeah, actually, correct. I got a job, okay, and then different job. There, I worked as a UI UX designer and as a developer as well. So same front end, and after that, there I worked for 3 months. But I thought, I felt it that I am limiting myself there, and I'm not getting anything else additional to learn in my life. So that was my decision to change my job that time. And yeah, I looked for another jobs, and then when I connected with Oaktree Connect, where I'm currently working. And here I have joined as a junior backend developer. But the time when time flies, we have to do everything in a company because there is no only one and only thing. And I love to do multiple things. Like not only one task I'm doing, and not only one thing I'm doing. I love to do each and everything, whatever I can learn new from my side, from this world. So here, right now, I'm working as a full stack developer and doing a lot of things. It's not even development. It's like kind of testing our production own, like how user can use it and how we can make this platform very easy and comfortable for other users that they can come and they can use easily right now, our platform, whatever it is. So yeah, that kind of things which I usually do and I usually think of doing it.
So it's about simplifying the onboarding process.
Correct.
Okay, fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to our next questions. Are there any insights or advice you would like to give, like, to up and coming software developers, kind of where you were from, where you started from and where you are now? Is there any advice or, insights that you'd like to share with, other software developers?
uh, like, to be honest, I'm nobody to advise anybody. But yeah, from my career and from my experience, what I suggest people to do, just follow your passion and love whatever you love to do. Just do that. Go on that. Never stop. Never give up, because there are lots of things. You will be getting rejections, selections, you will be getting better opportunity, or maybe you will be getting the worst opportunities as well in your career or in your whatever personal life as well. But yeah, it's all about decision making. What decision you are making, that really matters. So yeah, it based on that. So just keep on trying and give your best. Never think that you will be going to reject, because if you will reject, you'll be going to get learn new thing, or you'll be getting to strong yourself, make yourself strong. After that no, this is not for me, then yeah, next, move on to
Nice.
next
I love
quickly.
that, Divya. I love that. So, you
Thanks.
said about continuously going and, you just keep getting stronger,
Correct.
even after rejection. Maybe not every time you get a yes, but don't always see that as a negative. See it
Correct.
as a positive and keep, marching forward. Yeah, amazing.
Correct.
As a woman, in the tech industry or even, career-wise, did you feel like you had some barriers against you because you were female? And also working with other male counterparts, did you feel like you ever had any bias against you?
Not really. Actually, not for me.
Okay.
Yeah, not for me because yeah, where I have got issues because I'm not technical background person. So yeah, there I got some issues because I didn't do BTech. So yeah, there I have got some issues. But yeah, my knowledge and my skills and whatever I have, skills, those are plus point and those are everything for me. So yeah, that's a
Fantastic.
great and best thing for me.
Fantastic. So that leads
Yeah,
us into our last question. Do you
yeah,
yourself see yourself as a future leader, and why?
yeah, definitely. Because I can give a
I
very good advice,
love
like how I'm giving you.
it. That's why you're one of the finalists, right?
Correct.
So why do you see yourself as a future leader? What makes you a future leader?
Yeah, so as a future leader, it's not about me, it's about every leader, whoever leading their team or leading their home or whatever leading word when it comes, then you have responsibilities to manage yourself with other people, like how you are working right now, but you have to think about others as well. Leading yourself is not like putting yourself in front, but putting yourself first for team, for your people, like what they are doing, covering for themselves, and then you have to make their work successful. Then you are a very good leader in my eyes.
I
Like,
love that.
yeah, of course you do that. You did that.
I love that. I love that, Divya. I love that. Go, Divya. Go, Divya. I love that. I love that. I love that.
Thank you.
Really appreciate you coming on today. But do you have any last remarks, for our audience, our attendees? Do you have any last remarks just to give that, that last sentiment? It could even be a quote. It could be anything that comes to mind. Do you have any last words for our audience today?
Yeah, be yourself, do whatever makes you happy, and do whatever makes you, confident. Just be yourself. That's all. That is my quote, one and only with two words, which I'll follow in my life. Be yourself,
Fantastic.
move yourself, do whatever you want, makes you happy. That's it.
That is so lovely. That is so lovely. Thank you so much for that, Divya. And thank you, obviously, for taking time out of your afternoon to come and spread your love and kindness to our audience. And thank you to our attendees and our audience for listening to Divya today. We have another episode tomorrow, late afternoon at 2 p.m. So do look out for that. We'll be speaking to Tuba. And yeah, thank you so much, Divya. And take care. Lovely to
Thank
have you on the
you.
show today. Take care. Say
Yeah.
bye to the audience.
Same to
Bye.
you. Bye. Thank you.